Good afternoon, Chairman Fulger, Ranking Member Magaziner, and honorable members of the subcommittee. My name is Stephan, and I'm the elected District Attorney of San Diego County, and also the President-elect of the National District Attorneys Association. I've devoted my entire professional life to serving our community and keeping it safe. 33 years, that's longer than I've been alive not doing this. This is why this issue is very important to me. It is not just an economic issue. If you go to the ground level and actually talk to the employees in the stores, you will sense the fear and the trauma and how much impact this has on human beings. There's hardly anyone who doesn't have a family member working in the retail industry. And to subject an industry where they don't sign up for a world of law enforcement, where there are daily threats, they sign up for what should be a safe industry, and instead it's turned into the Wild West. From my ground level view, I appreciate bringing the voice of the victims to this committee and for your attention to this really, really important issue. You've heard the reports of the loss of jobs, and also the reports about the increase in violence are the most important and impactful. I have made combating retail theft and organized retail theft a priority in my office because of what I've seen, the impact it has on my community. I wanted to send a very clear message that we have the rule of law, that we will use every tool in our possession to bring justice and accountability. Because of that, I formed a specialized team that has gone after this issue, organizing along with our state and local police officers in order to identify the perpetrators. There are three key challenges. First, that the evolution of this criminal industry involves more networks that are more organized and therefore are better able to hide their identities. They're usually masked up. They even have their license plates covered up. There's a lot of premeditation that goes into it, which means that our investigation efforts have to be more sophisticated. Second, we have a very inadequate legal framework, meaning we have very weak laws that deal with these issues. And this has helped this kind of crime become less accountable. The third key challenge is coordination, that there wasn't in the past good coordination between the retail industry, between local law enforcement, prosecutors, and the state and federal level coordination. Here are just some examples in San Diego County to show you how prolific this is. By the way, we've prosecuted 76 defendants for organized retail theft, and we track organized retail theft in our system separate from regular theft. 76 defendants, only 3 cases that I'll mention are more than $1.25 million. An Ulta store theft of $700,000 of multiple stores, $350,000 in Victoria's Secret, $230,000 for the Sunglass Hut store. How many sunglasses can one person need? The prosecution was made possible by a new law that passed in 2019 that targets specifically organized retail theft and allows us to aggregate something that we're not able to do for regular theft. By the way, Chairman Pfluger, your state was able, as you know, recently to put together a task force similar to what we have in San Diego. We also work with the California Highway Patrol because most of these organized thieves travel from county to county and they don't stick to one county, also making their detection difficult. We supported the INFORM Act, but the INFORM Act is not funded. So we encourage that there be funding specifically in order to better enforce the INFORM Act. Also, we support the coordination center that many members of this committee has asked for, because being able to bring together the resources in one coordination center is a proven tool that is effective. Working with the NDAA, it has been a pleasure to see the coordinated efforts come to fruition, including a national walkthrough where we walked through 100 stores with other prosecutors' offices to see for ourselves the problems. Thank you very much for this opportunity. We stand ready to assist and answer any questions.
Thank you, Ms. Stephan.